GarageBand, download GarageBand. This is epic. Click the plus, hit this one, and then you want to hit the plus on the side, and then you want to change the status of your thing. So if you click the status of this will, choose how you want to screen record anything you want for your ringtone. You want to push that little square thingy and get rid of it so it doesn't be in your background. Then you hit record, and then you're just randomly recording something. Let's say like any type of music, and you want to hit my music. Then you want to click on that and hit share, and then you want to hit ringtone, and then you want to title your ringtone, and then you want to hit export. And then once you're done exporting that, and then what you want to do, I'm not saving this because this is a random like little recording. I'm just showing you guys how to do this. And then you want to go to settings and then go to ringtones, and then you have your ringtone for free. So try this out, you guys. Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. I highly recommend trying GarageBand. I really love creating my own ringtones for free. You don't have to use Apple Music. You don't have to use anything. Purchase music. You basically just have the music for free. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. In the comments, let me know if you want to try this app out for free. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.